Zoeast PV, a vertically integrated manufacturer of high-performance photovoltaic products, knows how beneficial highly efficient inverters would be for solar projects. That's why we are proud to bring to the market the EPH10KTL, a three-phase hybrid inverter with an outstanding conversion efficiency of 98.2%. Optimized design and usage of high-quality components contribute to our inverter's high efficiency level. Higher efficiency leads to less energy loss during the conversion process, resulting in a greater amount of energy being available for use or storage. Being a three-phase inverter, it can achieve higher efficiency levels than single-phase ones. It uses three separate AC circuits to distribute the power, which reduces the amount of current flowing through each circuit and reduces power losses due to resistance. This inverter is also a hybrid type. It combines the functionalities of both grid-tie inverters and battery-based off-grid ones, providing several advantages over traditional inverters. These include continuous operation even during power outages, cost reduction through excess energy storage, and higher adaptability, as it can be used in both grid-tied and off-grid systems. Another beneficial technology it employs is the transformerless design. Transformerless inverters rely on electronic switching instead of mechanical switching. Hence, they produce significantly less heat and humidity compared to standard ones. Stable performance and operational safety are guaranteed, with the product's built-in sound and light alarm function and remote monitoring. The inverter's casing is IP65 rated, which offers solid dust and water ingress protection, making it ideal for outdoor installations. Furthermore, it has multiple safety protocols, including reverse polarity protection, insulation impedance detection, and residual current protection, among others. Customers are assured of this inverter's reliability since it conforms with IEC 61727, IEC 62116 and AS 4777 PV standards. Zoeast PV is committed to the research and production of high-quality products for residential, commercial and utility-scale solar projects. We have achieved rapid development in recent years through our adherence to product competitiveness and technological innovation.